So this long hairstyle is a very different one in terms of how it looks. Because this hairstyle has got elements from a short pompadour hairstyle, but in the back it contains a full-fledged man bun. And making this hairstyle is very easy. If you're able to make a full man bun, you don't need to worry about a thing. Let's see how it's made. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to make a full man bun. And try to keep the bun a little on the top of your head rather than putting it on the back side, because throughout the process it is going to get dropped a little. So now all we need to do is to pull our front hair slowly and steadily while holding the bun itself so that it doesn't get messed up in the process. And remember, while pulling, apply the force in the direction where you want your hair to stay once you leave it. And also try to pull the hair from the middle of the head rather than the front. And now it is completely up to you to decide where you want to put the partition and how high you want your pompadour to be. And you can also experiment with half buns and other stuff to see what looks best on you and your face shape. And if you completely understood how to make this hairstyle, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. But with that being said, I'll see you around, Alpha.